Experienced Nassau County criminal lawyers. When dealing with criminal charges, understanding the local legal landscape is crucial. Grasping the nuances of local legislation can be instrumental, especially when your freedom is on the line. Our Nassau County criminal lawyers have extensive knowledge of the specific local laws, working diligently to provide quality legal assistance to Long Island residents. The role of a Nassau County criminal lawyer. The role of a Nassau County criminal lawyer is multifaceted and pivotal in ensuring a fair and just legal process for individuals facing criminal charges. Firstly, their primary responsibility is to protect the rights of their clients. This includes safeguarding constitutional rights such as the right to remain silent, the right to legal counsel, and the right to a fair trial. They act as advocates for their clients, ensuring that law enforcement and the prosecution adhere to proper legal procedures and respect these fundamental rights at every stage of the case. Moreover, they offer crucial advice on how to navigate the complex legal system, explaining the implications of various legal actions and choices. They assist clients in making informed decisions, whether it's regarding plea bargains, trial options, or defense strategies tailored to the specifics of the case. Their experience in local laws and court procedures in Nassau County is invaluable, enabling them to craft effective defense strategies based on the unique circumstances of each case. Criminal procedure stage description. Arrest. Law enforcement officers detain a person suspected of a crime, and the individual is taken into custody. Arraignment. The defendant is brought before a judge, informed of their rights, and the charges are formally presented. Bail may be set. Pretrial proceedings. Both prosecution and defense engage in evidence gathering, motions, negotiations, and legal preparations. Trial. The case is presented before a judge and/or jury. Evidence is presented, and a verdict of guilty or not guilty is reached. Sentencing. If found guilty, a separate hearing determines penalties, including fines, probation, or incarceration. Appeals. Convicted defendants can file appeals to higher courts to review the case for legal errors during the trial. Post-conviction relief. After conviction, defendants may pursue post-conviction relief, such as habeas corpus petitions or seeking parole. Should you hire a Nassau County criminal lawyer? Obtaining the assistance of a skilled Nassau County criminal lawyer is essential when facing criminal charges in this region. Nassau County operates under its own set of local laws and regulations, and navigating the complexities of its legal system can be daunting without experienced guidance. A knowledgeable criminal lawyer not only possesses a deep understanding of these specific laws but also has the experience to interpret local court procedures and the intricacies of the Nassau County court system. This is vital in protecting your rights throughout the legal process. Nassau County criminal charges. Our Nassau County criminal lawyers offer tailored legal representation across various areas of criminal defense, DUI, DWI offenses, drug crimes, domestic violence, violent crimes. Criminal procedures in Nassau County. When it comes to criminal procedures in Nassau County, knowing what to expect at each stage is crucial. We'll walk you through the typical processes, including the criminal justice process in Nassau County, New York, typically follows these key steps. Arrest. The process begins with an arrest, where law enforcement officers detain a person suspected of committing a crime. The individual is taken into custody and may be booked at a local police station. Arraignment. After arrest, the defendant is brought before a judge for an arraignment. During this hearing, the charges are formally presented, and the defendant is informed of their rights. Bail may be set at this stage. Pretrial proceedings. Pretrial proceedings involve evidence gathering, motions, negotiations, and other legal preparations by both the prosecution and defense. This phase can include plea negotiations. Trial. If a case proceeds to trial, it is presented before a judge and/or jury. The prosecution presents evidence, and the defense offers a counter-argument. A verdict of guilty or not guilty is reached. Sentencing. If the defendant is found guilty, a separate sentencing hearing may take place, where the judge determines the appropriate penalties, which may include fines, probation, or incarceration. Appeals. If a defendant is convicted and believes there were legal errors during the trial, they can file an appeal to a higher court to review the case. Post-conviction relief. After a conviction, a defendant may pursue post-conviction relief, such as filing a petition for habeas corpus or seeking parole. Criminal defense strategies. Constructing a robust defense is paramount when facing criminal charges. Our Nassau County criminal lawyers recognize that the strength of your defense can significantly influence the outcome of your case. Here's a closer look at our approach to building a strong defense. Consequences of a conviction. A criminal conviction in Nassau County, as in any jurisdiction, can have far-reaching consequences that can affect various aspects of an individual's life. These consequences may include criminal record. A criminal conviction results in a permanent criminal record, which can be accessible to the public and potential employers. This record can negatively impact future job opportunities, housing applications, and educational pursuits. Fines and penalties. Depending on the nature of the offense, a criminal conviction can lead to substantial fines, restitution payments, and court fees, causing financial strain. Probation or parole. A conviction may lead to probation or parole, which can include strict conditions, mandatory counseling, drug testing, or regular check-ins with a probation officer. Jail or prison time. For serious offenses, a conviction can result in imprisonment, separating individuals from their families and communities for an extended period. Loss of rights. Certain convictions, such as felony convictions, can lead to the loss of various civil rights, including the right to vote, possess firearms, or serve on a jury. Immigration consequences. Non-U.S. citizens may face deportation, denial of entry, or other immigration consequences as a result of a criminal conviction. Social stigma. Beyond the legal consequences, there can be a significant social stigma associated with a criminal conviction, affecting personal relationships and reputation. How working with an experienced attorney can help. A good Nassau County criminal lawyer possesses a combination of essential qualities and attributes that set them apart as effective advocates for their clients in the local legal landscape. Here are some key factors that make a good Nassau County criminal lawyer. Extensive local knowledge. A strong understanding of Nassau County's specific criminal laws, court procedures, and local legal culture is fundamental. A good lawyer should be intimately familiar with the nuances of the Nassau County legal system. Experience in local courts. Experience matters significantly. An experienced Nassau County criminal lawyer will have a track record of appearing in local courts, understanding the preferences and tendencies of local judges, and building relationships with prosecutors. Effective communication skills. Communication is a cornerstone of legal representation. A good lawyer should be an excellent communicator, both in the courtroom and during client interactions. They must convey complex legal concepts clearly and effectively to clients and juries. Strong analytical skills. Analytical thinking is crucial for crafting effective defense strategies. A good Nassau County criminal lawyer should possess the ability to dissect cases, examine evidence critically, and identify legal issues that can benefit their clients. Client-centered approach. A good lawyer places the interests and well-being of their clients at the forefront. They should be responsive to their clients' needs, provide clear explanations of legal options, and maintain open and honest communication throughout the legal process. Negotiation skills. Many criminal cases are resolved through negotiations. A skilled negotiator can secure favorable plea deals or reduced charges. A good lawyer should have strong negotiation skills to achieve the best possible outcome for their clients. Trial experience. While many cases are resolved before trial, a good Nassau County criminal lawyer should also be a competent trial attorney. They should be well prepared to represent their clients effectively in court if the case goes to trial. Empathy and compassion. Dealing with criminal charges can be emotionally challenging for clients. A good lawyer should be empathetic, showing understanding and compassion for the difficulties their clients may face during the legal process. Resourcefulness. Adaptability and resourcefulness are essential qualities. A good lawyer should be able to think on their feet, respond to unexpected developments, and explore creative legal strategies to benefit their clients. Ethical standards. Upholding ethical standards is non-negotiable for a good lawyer. They should maintain the highest ethical integrity and act in their clients' best interests at all times. Schedule a consultation with our top-rated Nassau County criminal lawyers today. Having a top-rated Nassau County criminal lawyer from Lebedin Kofman LLP by your side can make all the difference. Our dedicated team brings a wealth of local knowledge and a client-centered approach to each case. We understand the intricacies of Nassau County's legal landscape, and we are committed to protecting the rights and interests of Nassau County residents facing criminal charges on Long Island. Whether you're facing DUI, DWI charges, drug offenses, white-collar crimes, violent offenses, or domestic violence allegations, we are here to provide strong, compassionate, and effective legal representation.